How to fix TikTok effects problem. If you have any problem with a specific effect, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. So all what you wanna do, guys, to fix any filter that you have is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then you have to open this apps option. When you open the apps option on your phone, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So you have to click on TikTok right here and then click on this forward stop and go back. Now click on the data usage right here, this option, click on it, and now you have to scroll down and you will find all the network access options. Make sure to enable all those options right here and then go back, open the power usage details, click on this power consumption alert, disable it like this, and then go to the Play Store and update your TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe.